Hey guys, so welcome back to another restoremysneakers.com video. In this episode I'll be talking about my latest pickup / restoration project that I picked up from eBay for $52 shipped. The Nike Air Force One co.jp from 2002. As you can see, I'm going to have to use general cleaning to clean up the soles, the midsoles, and the pet dander that's inside. However, basic cleaning is not the focus of this project. It is, however, on the suede. In particular, we want to remove stains like this off the shoe. In order to clean the suede, I'll be using a product called Lincoln Easy Cleaner. Now, I want to give a special shout out to my fellow sneaker doc, Kyosuke, for supplying us with this bottle of Lincoln Easy Cleaner. Now, if you're not able to find it locally, be sure to check in the description box below. We will have his contact information for you. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to clean the suede using Lincoln Easy Cleaner. So be sure to stay tuned for that episode.